Hello, my name is Chayan Malik. Currently, I am pursuing BBA in Hotel and Hospitality Management from EIILM-Kolkata. Today, I am going to make Goan Shira from Goa. Let's get started.
For making Goan Shira, we need the following ingredients. We have rava, we have ghee, we have some nuts, and we have a little bit of salt, sugar powder, sugar, little saffron milk and sugar syrup. So we'll start. We'll start by putting ghee. We'll put the almonds for let it fry a little bit. Now we are going to put the rava. From all the sides we need to do it, otherwise it will get burnt. When we see this rava is roasted little bit, it is off-white in color. And we can get the aroma. We have to put the saffron milk and whisk and move it very fast. We can put the sugar syrup also. To toss it very fast, otherwise it will get curdled. Stir it. We can put some nuts. Now we need to put some sugar. We can put some condensed milk. We'll put some resins. Some nuts, cashew nuts. A little bit of ghee for the flavoring. Little bit of salt. Now here our Goan Shira is ready.
Our dish is ready. Please make it at home and let us know how you like it in the comment section below. Thank you.